Little storyteller.
Nibbles the hamster was a very busy little fellow with soft brown fur and bright, curious eyes. He lived in a cozy cage filled with fluffy bedding and tasty sunflower seeds. Today Nibbles had a grand idea. He wanted to build something really fun. He found a big, empty shoebox. "This'll be perfect," squeaked Nibbles, pushing the box with all his might. It was a sturdy brown box, just right for his amazing plan. Next, Nibbles found some colorful tubes. There was a long blue one and a shorter green one. He carefully arranged them so they would lead into the shoebox. "This is going to be so exciting," he chittered. To make his creation even more special, Nibbles found a small red bottle cap. It spun around and around when he touched it. He placed it carefully inside the shoebox. "Now it's extra fun," he squealed. Nibbles was very proud of his creation. He called it the Amazing Seed Slide. It was a thrilling ride for one brave hamster, and Nibbles was the first to try. He climbed up the blue tube, zoomed through the green tube, and landed with a soft thump inside the shoebox, right next to the spinning red bottle cap. "Whee!" cried Nibbles, giggling with joy. His friend Pip the gerbil, with his sandy-colored fur and twitchy nose, watched Nibbles having so much fun. Pip wanted to try too. Nibbles smiled. "It's easy, just climb in," he said. Pip carefully went up the blue tube, wiggled through the green one, and landed next to Nibbles. "That was amazing," squeaked Pip happily. Nibbles and Pip took turns on the amazing seed slide all afternoon. They laughed and had so much fun together. It felt good to share his creation with his friend. Nibbles learned that building something is fun, but sharing it with a friend makes it even better.
Please subscribe. Thank you.